Think about an infrastructure of thousands of people across the globe working towards a common goal.
The fact that we worked on the first 18A product means a lot, not just for the company, but for the world.
18A is a revolutionary node.
Panther Lake was critical to demonstrate that Intel's got its mojo back.
So much changed.
I was scared to death because I knew that that's a lot of responsibility.
It's a big challenge to make sure that all the ecosystem actually takes your chip and it works. The chips needs to go to every form factor in the world, every laptop or desktop, and needs to fit every operation system or drivers, software that exists out there.
There's ecosystem or ingredient partners, panel vendors, other component suppliers, OEMs and ODMs, retailers, distributors. It's a really long process.
We worked very closely together with all the teams. It was amazing to see Intel becoming one team. Hundreds of people from different sites, cultures, organization, with different skills coming together.
It is extremely challenging to do a new process node. But on the other hand, the opportunity is huge.